طيب, we have to continue from the last point after we are completing chart, changing the chart layout or chart. Then we need to move to the formatting our chart. So these are formatting areas. نفهم إنه هذه النقاط اللي ممكن نعمل لها formatting, نعمل لها تنسيق and enhancement. And when we talk about formatting, we are talking about, remember these things, please. Formatting point, that is font size, of course. Then any effects, we can add it. Colors, because background and foreground. Then, okay, shading, that is background. Okay, so let us, this is the main point within our formatting task. Got it? Now, we have to select each area from this one and we have to formatting. Let us start with the title. We need to start with our chart title. For example, I'm going to move to chart, this chart, column chart. This is our chart title, right? So when you select it, then from home or from format, you can do this task, yeah? So you can start from here, then that is font type, which is suitable type for you to add it to your chart title there. Then from here you can control the suitable size for you. There is effect if you like, bold and italic if you need an underline, something like that. Moving to, you want to keep underlined. If you want to paint this color, you can do so by such a way. And from here, this is the shading, or you call it background, is up to you. Okay, such a way like this. So my chart is done. Actually, I don't like a background, but rest I like it. This is face point, formatting your chart title. Within the axis, we have two pieces of information, title and it is content. Okay, title and it is contents. What we mean by that, so this is the axis and axis title, if you have seen it here. This is axis title and this is the contents. الاسم هو التايتل بينما الأرقام هي المحتوى. By the same way, for the x-axis, first of all, let me show that it is here. So we have items. First, I want to select the name. Okay. Then what do you want to do? You want to select font type. I need to increase it to be 11, something like that. It is bold somewhat. With the color. Then if I click on any of these items, that means I'm selecting the whole data within this axis. تم تحديد ايش؟ تم تحديد البيانات لهذا المحور. Okay, just for this one, I'm going to increase the size. I'm going to keep it bold. Then I will keep it as dark blue. Same things I will do it for this axis title, Arial, and it is 11 as bold with dark red. For the content, for the value, I'm going to increase it to 10, make it bold and dark blue, such way like this. That's it. So now we have to move to we are done the task of access. Now let us come to the data labels. Data labels اللي قلنا البيانات اللي موجودة على رؤوس هذه الأعمدة. If you click in anyone, then within that column, within the same column will be selected for all. Yeah. So increasing the size, let us make it bold, maybe with the green color, somewhat like that. For this one, or let me make it with blue color. And then for the orange one, all columns will be selected. Let us make it 10 bold, and then with an orange color. It's not that clear, so let me select dark one. Last, for the gray one, 10 bold and a color somewhere here. Let us make it darker to be clear. That is done. Then for the last, we need to complete the task with the legend. Okay, selecting the legend, then which font type from here, and the size, it's bold, and then we can select any color out from here. Okay, let us make it purple just to show you that is a different task. Such way, if you don't mind, such way I'm finishing the formatting for the chart. Hope it is clear. Hope it is clear. Let us move to the next, cell formatting. Okay, within the cell formatting, first of all, please, everybody, I need to know what are the different contents within my, let us write sheet contents. محتويات بداخل هذه الشيت ايش ممكن احط؟ I can keep text, of course, yes. I can keep text. I can keep number. We can. I can keep date and time data. Plus بيانات وقت وتاريخ. Yes, I can keep it. Why not? And formula, of course, because the major task of Excel to complete a formula. الغرض الأساسي من هذا الإكسل هو معالجة البيانات، ومعالجة البيانات بيتم بفورمولا or functions if you like, formula or function by such way, or mixing of all these together. We can have object. حطوا لي في بالكم an object can be picture, can be shape, can be a chart, whatever. So all these come under what? Come under an object. لذلك انتبهوا لي للنقطة sheet content. sheet contents. خلاص، محتويات الشيت ممكن تكون ايش. And then if we need to come to the okay, what we mean by conditional formatting, I will come to that. Conditional formatting. It is a feature in spreadsheets. عبارة عن خاصية بداخل الشيت مالنا أو بداخل الابلكيشن مالنا allows us to apply specific formatting to the selected cell. بجي لاحقا. طيب formatting data مثلها مثل ايش؟ مثل هذا chart. When you select a data, whatever it is, then you can go for font type, font size, any effect you like, then background and front ground. background و front ground اللي هو الواجهة والخلفية، plus shading اللي هو تعبئة filling, plus we need to have alignment. Where do you want to keep it? Where do you want to keep such data? Plus the position and the location of data within a cell, within a cell. So this is what you mean by formatting a data. Conditional format يعني تنسيق مشروط. تنسيق مشروط. So it is a feature in spreadsheets allow us to apply as specific, conditional as specific. لذلك نقرن ما بين هذيل المعلومتين في ذات الوقت. Okay, so that is a feature or conditional. Simply it is as specific. As specific. بالتحديد بالتخصيص. Let me select for example over here all this column together. Plus, and this conditional format the steps from home styles group, and this is the conditional format. أولا. ثانيا, all of these are types of conditional format. أي من هذا عبارة عن conditional formatting. Highlight cells rules or top bottom rules, data bars, color scales, icon sets. كل من عند هذه عبارة عن ايش؟ عبارة عن conditional formatting. Now I want to highlight a data that is greater than 20. من خلال هذا العمود طالما هي 20 كانت هي القيمة الأعظم. So there is any other quantity rather than quantity 1 having 20 value? Unfortunately, no. So there is only one that is greater than 22, greater than greater than 21. So greater than 22, not 21. Greater than or equal. If now I said greater than 22, should not come. Greater than or equal, greater than, less than, between, equal to. By this way, so I can select specific. And if I come here, I want to apply the minimum, less than. So highlight a cell that is less than. That's the less than, just here, 13. Okay, by such way I'm highlighting the maximum and the minimum. The maximum and the minimum. فهذا بيسمى ايش؟ بيسمى التنسيق المشروط. تنسيق المشروط as specific. طيب, if we come to talk about formatting numbers and decimal digits, خلاص, we have general format. We have general format from these buttons. Okay, in general. خلاص بصورة عامة. يعني for example, if I want to add currency, لو أريد أضيف رمز عملة من هذا المكان, which currency do you like? All the currency around the world can be added, by the way, even Omani Riyal. So just I want to add a dollar, so it will be such way like this. And if I want to add it for the same over here, yes, I can. Got it? ثم if you need to add a percentage, you have to come here. If you need to add a separator, you can do it such way here. So I need it as a separator with this type. We can do it, yes. Then increasing and decreasing the number of decimal places. الفواصل زيادة ونقصان. I can control it from these two buttons. So this is general formatting for the number. General formatting for our numbers by such way. That's what I want from you to practice it after me. خلاص, تعملوا لي هذه التطبيقات وهذه التدريبات بنهاية الفيديو. So now let us come to the different types of formatting in specific. بمعنى مختلف التنسيقات حال الأرقام. If you select a number, any number, then right click and come to the 4 before last. تعالي عند الرابع قبل الأخير, format cells. Format cells and move to number. Move to number. So all these are types of formatting numbers. تنسيق الأرقام, that is general number, that is a specific number, that is currency, that is accounting, this is date or time, it is percentage, fraction. طيب هذه بصورة عامة بنسميها تنسيقات الأرقام. تنسيقات الأرقام كل من هذه الليست، يعني حتى الرقم ممكن تنسخه كنص. نعم، في هذه الحالة ما ممكن تقيم عليه أي من العمليات الحسابية، كمثال serial number or student number. ما تقدر تعمل عليه ما تقدر تعمل عليه عمليات حسابية بأي صورة من الصور. أشرح لكم. لذلك إذا سئلت عن أنواع تنسيق الأرقام بداخل الاختبار، تعالون عند format cells ووقفوا لي عند all these are tabs. So come to the numbers and then select write any from them. لو طلبوا من عندكم 6 من عندهم, so you have to come inside here and just to start from general, moving like this till the last, the number they need. Okay. Okay, I will come to that later. Now, so this is what? This is formatting numbers and decimal digits, all of this. So you can increase and decrease decimal places, المنازل العشرية. That is from the general formatting of the numbers, date and time, currency, customize, and so on. Now, we have current time and current date. Current time and current date. If there is needs to add it within your sheet, remember this can be done by the help of these shortcut keys. لو سئلتم بداخل الاختبار what are the different shortcut keys for current time, for the current date, remember these things, please. طيب, for the current time, shift plus control plus this we call it semicolon, الفاصلة المنقوطة. While for the date, just control plus semicolon. So practically, I will do that front of you. Maybe they will ask you for the shortcut, like they will not ask you practically to do that. If I press in control and keep pressing, then semicolon قريبة من أو after L directly. خلاص بيدخل لكم ايش؟ بيدخل لكم التاريخ مال اليوم الحالي. كنترول شيفت اند سيمي كولم بيدخل لي ايش؟ بيدخل لي الوقت الحالي اللي معي في هذا الجهاز الحين 2:25 دقيقة رايت، واليوم 23/3/2021. وهذا بيسموه الامريكان ستايل اللي هو ياتي لي بايش؟ ياتي لي بالشهر عند البادئة، بعد ذلك اليوم، ثم اخيرا التاريخ. That's it. Okay. ثم ماذا؟ This is done. Cell formatting. Keep please in your consideration the cells borders. That is formatting the whole table. Formatting a table. When we select your table such a way like this, for example, right click and from the same place or by the same approach for formatting your numbers, الرابع قبل الأخير, format cells, then you can come to the border and then select which options you like. تختار الخيارات اللي تريد من style، من color، where to apply it. Then تلغي كل شيء. Okay. And if you want to add it again from the beginning, so you can do it such a way like this. This is from the inside, and I'm going to select single line for the same color, and that I need it with from inside my table. It will be such a way like this. This is up to you. So keep in your mind, we can add borders. Yes, we can add a border to format your whole table. Yes, we can. Hope it is clear. Okay. Cell or cells formatting, it's better. Cells formatting, تنسيق الخلايا. Changing cell alignment. Alignment مقصود به المحاذاة. Changing cell alignment. Okay, so we have different type of alignment. We have, keep in your mind, we have a common alignment اللي هي المحاذاة المعتادة. هذه الوضعيات الست اللي موجودة معنا. خلاص. From over here, that is stop alignment. Within here, this is middle alignment. Over there, we have button alignment. If I come over here, that is align to left, align to center, and align to right. So you can try whatever you want. Then it will fit your needs حسب الحوجة للمستخدم. So I need it center and middle by such way. So it is done. Okay. So that is cell formatting. Okay. Next to that, if we need to talk about wrap text or wrapping text and what we mean by that, wrapping text. So for wrapping بمعنى التفاف النص. So that in the cell wraps to fit the column width. ده المقصود فيه. يعني تلقائيا تصير ايش؟ تصير ملائمة لعرض العمود. Fit to the column width. So if you change the column width, that wrapping adjusted automatically. لو عدلت في عرض اتساع العمود تلقائيا يتم ايش؟ يتم هذا الشيء بالنسبة لي. So practically what we mean by that, assume this is my data. First of all, how to reach to this feature. كيفية الوصول عند هذه. Okay. Or this one or this one. Plus each of this. How to reach first. كيفية الوصول عنده. So it is a type of paragraph alignment. So from home, and when you come to the alignment, when you click over here, then you can deal with such task. Plus from the alignment, 3 of them are here. This is wrap, this is shrink, and this is merge. Okay. If this is not shrinking, to add it back, I want to remove this one. It will be such way like this. It will be such way like this. If I'm not selecting, can select the wrap from here as well. If I'm not selected by such way, then this is what have to be happen. It will fit automatically to your column. So if I move, just if I'm double click on this separator او ضغطت مرتين على الفاصل ما بين A و B بضبط عرض العمود A تلقائيا by such way like this. Yeah? Yes, it is like that. We have other options, that is merge and center. Merge and center. Merge and center جربناها من قبل انه الغي الفواصل. So if I want to keep it such way like this across column A and B بامتداد العمودين A and B, just when I click here, then it will be such way like that. It's still not fitted. A, B, C. It have to come such way like this. And if I click on this wrap text, it will be fitted automatically over there. Plus, this is what? This is merge and center. This is wrapping a text. It will be such way like this. And if I come to the shrink to fit, shrink اللي هو التقليص. Shrink the contents of a cell so that they can fit within the current column width على أساس أنها تكون مناسبة وملائمة لمن؟ مناسبة وملائمة لعرض العمود. So all our concerns that is to be displayed in a proper way within our column. So this is the target. Our target, we have to consider about column width versus the contents of a cell. يعني عرض العمود بالمقارنة مع محتوى الخلية. محتوى الخلية ومحتوى العمود. Yes, it is. Then it will comes from the same areas. If we go back to our Excel. So from the home alignment, then when we click on this box launcher, then we can get inside this dialog box, and then you can select this one, shrink to fit. Automatically, when you click it such way like this, that's what will happen. Get it back to original, remove this, and then it will be such way like this. Yeah, that is what that is shrinking your content. And when we come to the orientation task or feature, so just how do you want to keep your page? This can be from page layout, and there is orientation over here. So you need this page in a landscape or in a portrait setting. البورتريت الصفحة بالصورة العمودية واللاندسكيب بالوضعية الأفقية. So we have total of 2 pages orientation. 2 من وضعيات الصفحة، إما أن تكون الوضعية الرأسية وإما أن تكون الوضعية الأفقية. So things is up to your needs and the number of columns by such way. I'm controlling what I'm controlling my page row orientation اللي هي وضعية الصفحة الرأسية والأفقية. خلاص، وضعية الصفحة رأسيا وأفقيا by completing this task. So that is cell formatting. Continuing in that cell formatting, we need to deal with such types of features within our Excel. طيب hide and hide column or a row. الشيء اللي ينطبق على الكولم ينطبق على الصف، لانه نفس الخصائص ونفس الفيتشرز. خلاص. When I'm right click on, for example, on column C, right click, okay, then before the last we have hide, then no longer column C will be displayed, be appear to us. So we hide it, then we need to get it back. Right click within this G column, then unhide to show you that is which hidden column. It will give you the hidden column, and simply you will get it back as simple as scan. Okay, such way like this. So hide and unhide, that is column. And if we try it for a row, for example, that is quantity, just right click and then hide, it will be hidden. Right click again and hide, you will get it back. Okay, so let us select both of them to appear or to display what is hidden between them. What is hidden between them? So I'm hiding column C, then select both of them, right click and simply unhide, you will get it back. That's it. Then let us move to fill and clear a content of your cell. Okay, so okay, it is from this group column coming to the editing, then we have fill to fill it. That's moving actually. To where do you want to move it? It could be by this way. That's filling. If you want to get it back, but you want to clear the things, you can do clear formats, for example, have been cleared, adding and just okay. I want to make it in middle and center. So this is two types of features within our Excel, that is fill and clear. From over here, what do you want to clear exactly? Simply you can select whatever you want. Okay, if you're adding comments, if you're adding hyperlinks, you want to clear the content, the formats, you want to clear everything's will be okay, as simple as can. Yeah, it is. ثم ماذا؟ Then I want to move to the column width اللي هو بنسميه عرض العمود و row height ارتفاع الصف. So we have different ways to complete such task. عندنا كم من الطرق انه to manage to fit your needs. As simple. So this task can be done by many ways, by different approaches. If I have been within this separator, if I move to the right side, that means I'm increasing column width. And if I'm keeping press moving to the left side, that means I'm decreasing, increase زيادة or decrease costly الشيء. So this is free column width plus عرض العمود بصورة مطلقة بنفس القدر ارتفاع الصف بكيفية مطلقة. Yes, I can do so. بجانب ذلك I can get exact بمعنى بالضبط وبالتحديد. So if I'm right click on this column label, column A, and if I come to the column width اللي هو عرض واتساع هذا العمود, so I need it as 35 for example. That is what will happen. Same things could be applied to the row. When you right click on a row, then row height, suitable height for you or what have been asked. So simply now I'm adjusting the height of this row, which I did. Plus if you need automatic adjust of your columns, أريد ضبط تلقائي لمجموعة هذه الأعمدة. So I'm going to select all the columns from the column labels من أسماء الأعمدة اللي هي الألفابيتيكال الموجودة من أعلى. And when you double click within any separator, لو ضغطت مرتين من خلال أي من الفواصل هذه, just it will come automatic adjust. يصير إيش؟ يصير ضبط تلقائي حال من حال الأعمدة مالي. Same things for the row, that is automatic adjust. Just click within a separator, أي من السeparator's. Just double click, then automatic adjust of your column such way like this. Yes, لذلك نقول إنه في تحديد مطلق وفي تحديد بالضبط وفي تحديد تلقائي. بالنسبة لي ارتفاع الصف, بالنسبة لي عرض العمود. Yes, this will work definitely. Yes, it will work. Why not? Plus final things, that is I want to move around my worksheet. How to move inside your worksheet? Different ways you can move between your sheet. If I'm using this arrow, if I'm using my mouse pointer, I can point it anywhere I like. If you want to move to the beginning of this sheet, if you want to move to the last area, such way like this. If you want to move absolutely to the end, for example, within column A, so just press on control, then an arrow, it will take you to exact location within your sheet. You can, okay, as simple as can. So I move to the very last area over here. If I want to move to the beginning, again, that is control and arrow key, whatever that you want. And if you want to move to the last, yes, you can move around your sheet. Yes, simply remember control, press, and arrow key, any arrow key. So that will take you around your sheet. You can use feed up, feed down. You can use control home and control end. You can move again between your different ways, different mechanisms. That is can take you in a tour around your sheet. Now, don't forget these things. We can use home and end keys. You can use control plus home. You can use control plus end. You can use an arrow key لمفاتيح الأسهم. And we can use control plus arrow key. It will take you to where you want. خلاص تنقلكم إلى المكان اللي تريدون. بعد ذلك إيش you can roaming inside your worksheet. You can do so, yes. Then last and finally, how many number of sheets we could have within our workbook. يعني بداخل هذا الملف كم من عدد الشيتس اللي ممكن ان احنا نحطها. So keep in your mind, it's very important. That is depends on what depends on available memory. That means you can add as maximum as can. يعني بالامكان اضافه اي عدد ممكن، لكن نعتمد على ايش؟ يعتمد على ذاكره التخزين. Limited to the space you have it within your computer memory. Okay, so the number of sheet within your workbook plus depends on free space within your memory. Such way, this is the last point. So this is an end. Got it? Okay, if you have any doubt, if you have any questions, get back to me. We will clarify every or any doubts. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.